Good afternoon guys, this is Karthik here from Brewing Cricket, and today we have a special unboxing and a review of the Shrey Koroyd helmets. As you know, you've all been seeing India-Australia series and you have seen a lot of players using these helmets. Why are these players playing with this, and what is so different about this helmet? So we are going to give you a breakthrough of this, and here we have the titanium Shrey Koroyd helmet, and as you can see it comes in a typical Shrey box. And let me open the titanium for you and show you what all comes in this. And this is the titanium helmet guys, and guys it comes with a lot of accessories. I can clearly see this in the first thing as we go. So it comes with the cushions on the back straps, and it comes with the extra swapper band on this. You have these other accessories which are very important, and it comes with a stem guard too. So this is nice. And guys, have a look at the new titanium Koroyd helmet. This is size M. The first thing you can see is the grill. It's a new shiny grill, clearly seen in this, and this is what shows you the new Koroyd system on it. It is the green logo which comes on the helmet, and have a look at the Koroyd system. Guys, you can clearly see that Shrey wants you to see what goes into this helmet. It looks like a honeycomb beehive structure. Let me just have a press of it. It's pretty hard from inside. This isn't very soft, but then what Shrey claims is this is one of the best protective helmet ever made. So they've done a lot of research, a lot of technology, money has gone into this to bring safety to all our cricketing folk. And first thing, let me tell you what feels great in this about this. I can pick it up in one hand and it feels light. The best part about this is what it feels balanced. So let me just put this on for you. Before that, have a look at this. This is a new adjuster that they've come up with. You can adjust this, you can get this tight and loose so that the helmet doesn't shake a lot. And guys, this feels balanced. This is not heavy. This doesn't feel the structure weight anywhere. It's balanced really well. Have a look at the side view of this. Guys, this is a beautiful helmet. Yes, and this is only 772 grams. We have checked this helmet, we have tested it, and it's only 772 grams. One of the lightest helmets made by Shrey with the best technology in the world. So this is your Shrey titanium helmet. Best part is they have done a stainless steel also in it, and we have the stainless steel also here today. Let me just clear this off for you. This is the steel. Now if you see, there's not a lot of changes in the box. It's the same kind of a box, but it just says stainless steel here instead of the titanium. And here's the first look at the titanium. And the titanium also comes with a lot of crap, guys. So this is your tag, and you have all your accessories in this again, which is all free in the helmet. The bag also comes in it. The only accessory that I couldn't see is the stem guard. Yes, the stem guard doesn't come with the steel version of it. Okay, let's have a closer look at the steel helmet. As you can see, the steel helmet comes with the shiny grill too. And here also you can clearly see the Koroyd green logo. And to be very frank with you, this helmet also feels very light in the hand. I actually expected this to be heavy. This is not heavy at all. Very surprising. And by the way, this also comes with the adjuster on the back. So there is not much difference between the titanium and the steel. The titanium also has the adjuster and the steel version also. Let me put this on. Wow. Guys, the steel version is also lightweight. I really don't feel the extra weight of the steel grill here. I think it's because the way it's balanced. I think the helmet is balanced really well. And as you can also see, this has the Koroyd system inside. So what I reckon is Shrey First of all, thumbs up to Shrey for bringing something great like this, and innovation is very important today. The only difference that I can see between both the helmets is the quality of the grill. This is the steel grill, this is the titanium grill. If not, the shell, the protection, the safety, everything is very similar. And the steel is 880 grams, the titanium is 770 grams, difference is 100 grams. Boy, I think the steel kicks ass. For a price of 13,500, there is not much difference between the steel and the titanium. I would say thumbs up to the steel. Price wise, quality wise, construction wise, wow. I think it's a great buy. Yes, somebody who's playing this top end professional level, you really want to have the best of protection. Titanium is the only way to go. And this one is 23,000. So it's a little bit expensive, but yeah, you want the best of protection. You're playing 140 speeds, titanium is the way to go. Guys, kudos to Shrey. Beautiful helmets. I am loving these. I'll be very happy to sell this to all my customers. This is available online on our store www.rovicricket.com, or you can come down to our stores in India, which is in Bangalore, Jayanagar, as well as Koramangala, to test them out yourselves. This will be in Singapore very soon. And what can I say? Happy New Year, guys. Have a safe year. I know it's been tough on everybody. It's been tough on us too. And Shrey is just helping us a little bit more better, giving a little bit more safety. Get these helmets on. Kids who are not playing with helmets, time to buy your helmets. Somebody who's brave enough not to wear a helmet, please do not do stunts on the ground. A helmet is going to protect your life. So let me end this year 2020. We've had a lot of tough times. Let's start with 2021 with a great year. Wishing you all the best and success in all the things that you guys do. Cheers, guys. Thank you.